welcome to my YouTube channel. Y'all, I am super excited because when I got home today, I had a package. So I have to do this unboxing. I've been very excited about what's in this box, waiting for what was in this box, just so I could do this video, y'all. So let me tell y'all what's in this box, y'all. This box is from the best. Yes, the best. The B-E-S-T. B-E-S-T. Alma mater in the world, y'all. It's from Dillard University. Y'all, we are gearing up for reunion. So before I start talking about reunion, I want to give a congratulations to Dillard class of 2021. I know you guys have persevered this year. This has not been an easy year. I know it haven't. I know it haven't been an easy year for your professors because I am a teacher. So I know it hasn't been easy for them. And you guys as students, because I have students, because I'm a teacher now, I know it hasn't been easy for you guys as students. So I commend you guys for persevering. And yes, congratulations on walking down those oaks. It is a beautiful, beautiful feeling and honor to be able to do so. So yes, congratulations to you guys. So yes, let's get into this unboxing because I'm super excited to see what I have in my alumni box. University. Y'all know I love my school. I wrote my school to the utmost. Okay, to the utmost. All right, y'all, let's get into this unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm excited. All right, here we go. Guys, I finally got in the box and I'm super excited for what I see so far in this box. Oh my god, y'all, it is beautiful. Oh my god, I love my school. All right, here we go. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god.
Cause I'm a red hot pepper boy. Follow me now, cause I'm a red hot.
Dillard University, 1869. Yes. Let's go. Dillard University. So this is the front of the box, y'all. Isn't it beautiful? Y'all see our colors, blue and white. And on the side, it has Dillard University Alumni. And then it has our page. So y'all follow my alma mater, y'all, at Blue Pride Rising. You can follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So look into that. If y'all have any students, seniors or juniors for next year, because they're gonna be seniors, please, y'all, Dillard University is an awesome school to attend, trust me. Especially my people in Atlanta. Yes. Y'all need to come on down here to New Orleans. All right, and then on the side, y'all, it has our hashtag, Fair Dillard. Oh my God, Fair Dillard. I'm not gonna sing it. I'm not gonna sing the alma mater for y'all. And then on the side, y'all, it has Dillard University again. Expedit Forest. Y'all, I'm opening. I'm excited. Alright, y'all. So, inside my box. First thing up. These are some socks. And yes, I'm gonna open it so I can show you guys. These are some beautiful socks. Oh, I'm gonna be so ready for a reunion. Y'all hear me? I cannot wait to sport my attire. Alright, so it's some socks. Y'all, this is nice. Dillard University socks. Y'all see the name, Dillard University. Let me turn this way. Dillard University, and then it has Blue Devils. That's our mascot, the Blue Devils. Blue. Yeah, blue and blue. So those are the socks. Alright, let's see. I didn't show y'all the inside of the box. I'm sorry. This is how the inside of the box looks. It's really pretty. Alright, so I opened up the socks. Alright, then here. Let's see what we have here. This is so nice, y'all. Y'all see it? This is the card holder, I believe. Oh my god, y'all. This is so nice. Y'all, it's like velvet in the inside.
It's beautiful. What is that, velvet?
I love this, and I need this, y'all, to put my YouTube cards in, to put my Teacher Fashion On LOCKett cards, and y'all know my bow business, Fabulous Boutique 404. So this is gonna be so perfect for me. Yes, I needed a card holder, and on it, y'all, if y'all can see, it's engraved with Dillard University. All right, love that, Dillard. Let's go. Dillard, y'all did this. I need this, y'all. Put me some water in here. Put me some wine in here after teacher hours. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I love it. Dillard University, property of Blue Devils. Love that. Love that, Dillard. All right, let's see. What else do we have? Y'all, look at this. Look at these coasters. Yes, sit your liquids on this. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Really beautiful, defined. This is nice. This is quality too. And again, it has property of Blue Devils, Dillard in the middle. Have two of them. Yes, this is nice.
Ooh, this is nice.
Alright, let's see. Alright, guys, that's all I had in my alumni box, and I'm super excited about it. Wait a minute, I missed this side, y'all. I gotta show y'all this side of the box. It has Dillard University, excellence. I love my HBCU. I do. Period. 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 Period.
Nothing else to say, like, period. Period.
It has heritage, Fair Dillard. We do this. Yes, we do this. DU, we do this, okay? And then it has established in 1869 and proud. And this is my favorite hashtag to use for my alma mater. It is my DU. So yes, that's what I got in my unboxing, in my alumni box, and I'm super excited about this unboxing, and I'm super ready for a reunion. I'm gonna try to participate in all or majority of the virtual activities that we have going on. Now, this is my box. I did order a shirt and a mask. It didn't come with this, so I'm guessing it's coming in a separate package. Or maybe I should run downstairs to see if it's in a separate package. Because I just saw this and ran, y'all. I saw this at my mailbox and ran because I knew what it was. Once I seen that Dillard University address, 2601 Gentilly Boulevard, I started running to my door. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do when I cut this video off. I'm gonna go back downstairs and see if my reunion shirt and what else did I order? Oh, and my mask, my Dillard mask, is in another package because it wasn't in this one. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching this unboxing. I had to do it. Y'all research my alma mater, y'all. It's one of the top HBCUs. One of the top HBCUs. There is. And it's the best HBCU. I love HBCUs, all HBCUs, y'all. But Dillard University is the best. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta rep for my school. Dillard University. Yes, this school made me, y'all. Made me who I am. Like, I grew up when I arrived at Dillard University. That's so funny because I just thought about a funny story time. I don't have time to tell y'all on here about how I got down to Dillard University. Shouts out to Atlanta chapter, Dillard University Alumni chapter, because that was one of the reasons. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all, if y'all want a story time on this, let me know. But my behind got down here to New Orleans chasing red beans and rice, y'all. Chasing red beans and rice. I had never been to New Orleans, Louisiana in my whole life. Now you can tell I'm greedy and a foodie, chasing red beans, y'all. But I'm so happy I chose my awesome, beautiful school. I love this school. So if you get time, research my alma mater, Dillard University. If you want more information about our school, I don't think this the alumni. Well, you can probably follow this Blue Pride Rising on their Instagram. I'm pretty sure from their Instagram, if you look in their followings, you can find our other social media platforms, because we have other social media pages for Dillard University. Or you can search these hashtags too, Fair Dillard and My DU. You should find some awesome things about Dillard University if you want to learn more about this beautiful university, this beautiful school. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing. Again, shouts out to class of 2021. Congratulations to you guys for graduating from Dillard University. Know that it is an honor and a privilege to be a graduate of Dillard University. Yeah, our school is amazing. I only know amazing people that graduated from Dillard University. But I don't want to prolong this video. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned, because if my shirt and my my shirt and my mask, I'll probably do another unboxing video, but that would be probably like a short. It'll take me like a few seconds to unbox that and show you guys my shirt and my mask, because I'm going to be ready and I am going to be repping for the best alma mater. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Deuces.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion On LOCKett.